This is the easiest install you'll ever do. For my lazy girls, the ones who love easy stuff, let's get into it. So today I'm going to go in with my concealer and just apply it on my wig cap. As you can see, I don't do the bald cap method. I don't do any of that. This is just going to be super simple and easy. So we're just going to apply the color foundation on the cap. You also want to apply the foundation on the inside of your lace and spray it with some holding spray so that it stays. We only do this after you've washed your wig, so you don't do this every single time. After using your spray, you're going to go in with your blow dryer and just let it set into the lace. These are makeup wipes. You want to make sure that your forehead is nice and clean so that you don't have a lot of product buildup when we install it. So the product we're going to be using today is the Ebon melting spray. I will write it in the description below. So all you do is take that spray and spray on a plastic knife and just apply it all over your forehead. This is the only product we'll be using to completely melt our lace. It lasts for days if you take care of it when you shower and you sleep. It's a really good product, guys. I love this product. It works wonders. So after applying, you're just gonna blow dry with some cool air. I did not use hot air. And then I'm putting the wig on top of the area that I applied the spray on. So then after doing that, now what you're gonna go ahead and do is spray each section and then blow dry. You spray each section and blow dry, spray each section and blow dry, and then you're done. That's it, guys. It's not that complicated. So you'll just see me go in, spray a section, and then I press it down with my comb so that the product can go into the lace nicely. So you just spray and then use your comb to lay it down, and you will see your lace is going to disappear. That's what I love about the spray. It's super easy and it doesn't eat your hairline. You'll still have a hairline when you're done with this process. So yes, this is all you need to do. If you want it to last long, then you'll apply a band for like 10-15 minutes after applying this solution, and then take it off and you're good to go. So there I'm just going in, spraying, and then using my comb just to press it down. Guys, this is super easy. I did this for Christmas. This was my Christmas look. This was Christmas morning. It was a really nice style. It went with my white dress. It was giving angel, angel vibes. But yeah, you just continue spraying and blow drying all around, and then you'll see the lace is going to disappear and you're going to look absolutely amazing. When you are using the spray and the comb to lay down your lace, you want to make sure that your comb is nice and clean, because when you pressing the lace down, it gets some of that spray on it and then it becomes sticky. So I just used the makeup wipes to wipe the comb so that the comb is no longer wet and sticky. So as you can see, look at that, the lace is literally disappearing, it's melting, which is why I say you can leave this on for days or week or two if you want. Just matters how you maintain it. That's all it is. It's about maintenance. Can you maintain your hair? Look at that close up, guys. Did you see what I meant? It's not complicated, guys. We tend to make these things complicated when they are not. So yeah, then I just lay it down, make sure it's all nice and flat over there, that the lace is looking good. Then I'm gonna go in with my elastic and just tie it around. Argan oil is really good for wigs. It's lightweight, yet it really nourishes your hair. So that's what I'm using now. So you can go ahead and use your argan oil. Just don't put too much of it. Just a little bit will go a long way. So this is just me styling the hair a little bit. If you want your hair to have bounce, definitely first blow dry, especially if you're curling it and you want like a body wave, a nice body wave with the hair having bounce, then you should definitely curl it. Otherwise, you know, sorry, no, you should definitely blow dry it. Otherwise, it's not going to be as bouncy as you'd like it to be. After 10-15 minutes, I'm done, and that is it, guys. There's really nothing else for you to do but to just get ready, go wear your favorite outfit, do your face beads and everything, and you'll be good to go. That's it. It's that easy, literally that easy. You don't have to struggle, you don't have to use 4 layers of glue. You don't have to do all that crazy business. Like, you just need this spray and it will be good for you. It will get you going, it will get you looking good. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. That was a quick one, easy one, and I hope it made sense to you guys. If you've got some questions, pop them in the comment section below. And yeah, I hope you loved this super easy install.